Yeah, so today we are going to complete the mini project which is based on the Tableau. So to complete this, we have to open this. After opening the playground, we have to open this project folder. In the project folder, you have to open this mini project Tableau orders, in which we have to open first the problem statement. So select the appropriate viewer to view the PDF file. So the background is little bit slow, so you have to wait for some time to load the PDF and all the documents. So this is our Tableau challenge. Here we have given a data set which contain the data regarding the orders that we place on the e-commerce website, and as a Tableau developer we have to perform the required visualization which is given the data set. So to perform this task, we provided this required file located in this particular folder. As you can see that in the board, I'm not able to highlight this location. Yeah. So this particular location, which is mini project Tableau orders, and we have this particular node that the mini project Tableau folder consists of file name order.csv, which will be the dataset that we should perform the visualization in an empty Tableau workbook with the name of hackbook.twp. So basically twd is a Tableau extension, so we have to perform that particular file, and the output data folder is an empty folder. We have to save the data, means we have to create a multiple TW files, and we have to store that particular files in the output data folder, which is in the project folder. So let's begin. Already this problem statement we have given the instruction. So as per the instruction, we have to double click on the hackbook.twb. So we have to close this one, and we have to click on the double click on the hackbook.twb. And after opening the hackbook.twb, we have to enter some the information, as Tableau Desktop is running on 14-day trial version. So we have to give on some random information and start the 14-day trial version. Yeah, so start. You can give any random name. So I will give ABC. Tab last name EFG. Business email you can get anyone. So, organization we can give any. Department engineering, job role you can give any. Consultant system, company size you can give any. Phone number you can give any random phone number. Country you can select, and you have to enter the start trial now. So after this it will create the Tableau dashboard. So after that we have to go with our the problem statement. In the particular problem statement we have to create a sheet 1, which is for the total set, and the chart title is total sales of each subcategory. So copy this chart title and just come here to Tableau dashboard, and here you can see the sheet 1. So we have to perform the all the operation for the problem statement 1. So just click sheet 1 here, and just paste the copied name here. So it will change the name of this. After that, go to again the problem statement. Now here we have to create a bar chart, but before that sheet name we have to change as a total sales. So we can also do there. we can change the sheet names. Double click on the sheet 1 and paste the total sales, or we can randomly type the name also. After that, now go to the problem statement. Here we have to create a bar chart showing the total sales analysis. In the rows we have to select the sum of total cost, and in columns we have to create the category. So go to, in the rows we have to get sum of total cost. So here data is not present initially, so we have to connect to data. Go to text file, go to desktop, project, order data, open. So it will import the order data.csv to our data. So go to, so as you can in the screen, so all the data on the in the order.csv get imported in the particular sheet 1, or we can say that data source. So go to the total sales. So you can see that all the columns present in the order.csv are populated in this tables column. So in the rows we have to get total cost, and in columns we have to get category. So check total cost column. So here is total cost. Take to this is rows column. So by default it is having the sum of total cost, and also we have to take the sum of total cost. So if other column is there, you can change in the measures. So in measure there are multiple options, sum, average, median, and as per your requirement you take the particular measure. And in columns we have to take the category column. So just drag and drop the category column in the column. So as can see that our bar chart is present. So by default it is also bar chart. So this is a bar chart graph. After that you have to perform some tasks. So first task is add the subcategory column and color to divide the category bar into different subcategories. So we have to check subcategory and we have to place in the color column. So this is our sample output. I will just zoom out some PDF so you will get the actual result. So you can see that this is the sample output and this is our desired output, so which is similar. So once you perform the visualization, we have to follow these steps. So after this we have to export the data. We have to go analysis, then view data, and then export all. So you go to the analysis, view data, and then export all. So now we have to check the address. Just copy this address. Or you can go to the desktop, project, mini project, output data. So under output data you have to save the file with the name of total sales.csv. So give the name of total sales.csv. Save this file. So now second problem statement is average discount. So copy the name of the sheet. Sheet 2 is average discount. Here click on the plus icon, so it will create the new worksheet, sheet 2. Double click on the sheet 2 and paste the name of the sheet. So it is average discount. Now go to the problem statement. The chart title is average discount for different shipping mode. Copy the name. Just paste the name of the sheet. Click on apply, click OK. Go to the problem statement. Now here we have to create a line chart to display the average discount for the different shipping mode. The color of the line should be dividing the different ship mode, and add a filter on the category and select the only office supply. So first we have to create a line chart. where we have to take rows which is average of discount, and in columns we will take subcategory. So create line chart. First to select the line chart and take discount column in a row, but instead of sum we have to take average. So go to the measure and take average, and in columns we have to take the category. Okay. Sorry, in column we have to take subcategory. So just remove this category, take subcategory. Yeah, so this is a line chart. Now we have to add the color of the line should be divided in the different shape modes. So search for the shape mode. Yeah, so shape mode here. So we have to just drag the shape mode on the color. So it will be differentiate the line charts on the basis of the shape mode with the color grading. And after that we have to add a filter on the category and select only office supply. So we have to apply the filter on the category. So drag category column to the filter box and go to the just select in category only office supply, apply and click on OK. So it will be update our line chart. So as you can see that this is our sample output for the particular line chart, and this is our output which is similar. So as like a step 1 we are saving this particular sheet 2 which is our discount. Just copy the name of the particular sheet, and as previous go to the analysis, view data, under that export all, and into this particular sheet file name is our discount.csv, and you can see that the previous sheet 1 output which is total sales is showing here. It is total sales. Click on the save and close this pop-up. As similar like this we are performing the third sheet which is a total quantity sales. Just copy this, go to the dashboard, create a new worksheet, change the name of the sheet 3 which is the total quantity sales. Again go to the problem statement, copy the chart title which is the total quantity sale of each subcategory. Go to the dashboard, change the title of the sheet. Now we can perform the question. Now here we have to create a pie chart that consists of a three pies. Add the subcategory onto the color which will divide the pie into different parts. So first we have to just select a chart. After that we have to take rows and column. So here row is not present, so we are not going to take any rows. In column we are taking category. So in this we have to select a pie chart. In rows there is no column, but in column there is a category column. So we are taking category columns. So as you can see here there are 3 circles are present. So after some applying filters we are going to see the pie chart. Now we have to add the subcategory onto color which will divide the pie into different parts. Yeah, now we are dragging subcategory onto the color. So it will look like this. After that we have to add sum of quantity onto the angle. Sum of quantity onto the angle. Yeah, the sum of quantity onto the angle. You can see the sign also, the angle sign. So you can cross check that it is properly drag and drop to the angle, and also check the measure is properly or not. So after this we have to just verify with our sample output. So this is our sample output, and currently this is our actual output which is quite similar. So same thing we are performing. We have to save this particular worksheet. So we are just copying the name of the particular file which is a total quantity cell.csv. So same thing, we are going to analysis, view data, under view data, export all, and just paste the name of the file and save. Close this one. Now go to the fourth and last problem statement, which is a highest order. Copy the sheet 4 name, go to the worksheet and create a new worksheet. Double click on the worksheet and paste the copied name. Now copy the chart title. Now we are also creating the chart name. Yeah. So now here we have to create a heat map. So go to the heat map. We have to check the rows and column first. Rows is latitude and column is longitude. So go to the marks in the select map. In after that, in rows we have to select the latitude. In rows we have to select latitude, and in columns we have to select longitude. So we will be able to see the map of the world. So we have to filter some of the worlds. After that we will get our desired output. Go to the problem statement. Now we have to apply the filter. Now the first filter is our change the data type of the field state from the string state and province under the geographic state. So we have to go to the field state. We have to go to field state, and geographic role is a state as per there, and it is already present in string. Yeah, the first condition is satisfied. Now we have to filter category and select only technology. We have to filter category, so drag and drop the category column in filter and select only technology, click on apply and click on OK. After that we have to filter ship mode and select only same day. So search for the ship mode, drag and drop ship mode to the filters and select only same day, click on apply, click on OK. After that we have to add max up total cost to the color and change the color to the temperature diverging. So we have to select the total cost to the color. So it is some cost, change to the question. So we have to take max of total cost. So select the maximum max of total cost and change. Go to the color, edit colors, and in palette column go to the drop down and select temperature diverging. Click on apply, click on OK. We will go to the color segment, just check. Geographic role. Some filter is missing. data type is string, and geographical state province it is same, correct, sorry, and filter category and select only technology. Here filter by category and we select only technology, and ship mode is the same day. Okay. And max up total cost to color and just change color to the temperature diverging. Rows latitude, column longitude, generative. Okay, but our design is not as per the cost. Yeah, so by defaultly it is set to the automatic. Now it is showing on the map. So as per the result, so this is a sample output, and this is our output, so it is quite similar as per as the color grading, but we are getting some states in the United States region. So same thing we have to do, we have to save this workbook. We have to just copy the name of the sheet which is the highest order. So go to analysis, view data, export all, paste the name and save. After that we have to follow the instruction. So before closing environment, make sure that you have saved all the visualization to help directly by going file save. And before closing environment, ensure that all the output files are saved in the local ID with the output file containing this particular location. So all these four .csv are present in the output data folder. We have to cross check. So first we can save the our workbook with Ctrl S. Double click, go to the file manager, open the output data folder and check all the four saves are present or not. So after that we have to run the text.exe file to check the score of the particular file. So now we are running the text. So we are running the test. Yeah, you can check the data accuracy for average discount is 100%. Data accuracy for higher order is 95%, data accuracy for total quantity is 100%, and data accuracy for testing is 100%. So all the sheets and the output are correct. So we can submit this course. So just first press enter to exit, entering, and now you can submit the your hands-on of mini project in the environment. You can submit the challenge. Please click on some confirm.